Hey, what's going on guys, it's your boy AMG here and I'm back with another exciting video for you guys, and we are gonna go back to Dubai. And in this video I'm gonna get hungry and I'm gonna make you guys hungry. Yeah, because we are gonna go to a shop where we get shawarmas. What was the name of the shop? Yeah, it was called as Address Shawarmas, and I saw a very unique way of making shawarmas. So those guys, like, they made it differently. They didn't use the ordinary technique which all the restaurants use. They used different technique, and also they provided lots of pickles with the shawarma, and yeah, they really tasted good. So you'll be seeing that in our today's video, and as well as we are gonna go to Sharjah Central Souq, a building which is very well designed. It is designed like a train, and in that, man, it's really epic. You know, it's full of markets, so make sure you watch the whole video till the end. And with that being said, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and you're gonna like the video because it's really an epic video. So make sure you like the video and hit the bell notification icon too, so that you don't miss out on the videos which I'm uploading in the future. And with that being said, let's begin our today's video. So guys, finally I am at Sharjah Central Souq, and it's all gold market. I'm gonna buy some gold for my mom and then move out. Guys, this whole building is built like a train. The whole exterior of the building is like a train. So guys, I can see, oh my god, as you can see, this is full of gold shops surrounding me. It's pretty lit. See the view, guys. I am at the bridge. There are all jewelry shops, handloom shops, silver shops, and some antique shops right over here. See, as you can see, it's having all antique shops. This is another bridge, and as I said, the interior is pretty good. So now I'm going down. Oh no, it's not working. Oh guys, the escalator ain't working, and now I have to climb down the stairs. So now I'm going down. So these are all the perfume shops and stuff. We are at block number 5. There are different kind of blocks over here. I have just realized that this is not only a gold market, but there are handloom shops, carpet shops, accessory shops, more. So if you want to do some shopping, buy something, so make sure you visit the Sharjah Central Souq. By the way, Souq means a market. So here you are gonna find all sorts of stuff. So if you want to buy something, you can visit here. So this is the view. There's like a corridor, a balcony. Damn. The designing is pretty good, and that's the top. And yeah, if you want to buy stuff, you can visit here. Yeah, I want to show you something really beautiful. So see guys, that's a really beautiful fountain out there, and I guess there's a masjid right over there, and on the other side there's a Ferris wheel as well. So yeah, you must definitely visit here. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you subscribe right away. And also, if you are liking the video till now, make sure you hit the like button as well. And yeah, see you guys later. Like this store, this market has all in store, like the antique stuff and the sports accessories, clothes, gold, silver, and all what you can name. They have it all. So yeah, if you want to buy some stuff, you can come and visit here. So there you go guys, this is novelties and furniture shop, all kind of decoration. So this shop is having all kind of novelties, decoration stuff. As you can see, the Aladdin's lamp, and the models of Burj Al Arab, Burj Khalifa. I will be gonna visit these very soon, so I will be uploading the vlog about that as well. Some ancient kind of chessboard is there as well, and some other perfumes, and these are the lighters and stuff. So guys, even there are sports shops, clothes shops, and a lot more. As you can see, these are all the sports accessories, sneakers, football shoes, footballs, yoga mats, trophies, and these are the accessory shops. Oh wow, there's even PS4 controllers, watches. So this store has a lot more than gold stuff, so it's really lit, guys. If you guys want to do some shopping, you can come and visit the Sharjah Central Souq. There are perfumes and a lot more to buy. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. There was lots of gold market, gold shops, and many antique shops, carpets, handlooms, Messi's and Rashford's new t-shirts. I'm sorry, Messi and Ronaldo's new t-shirts. Actually, this was a long time ago, right? It was in November or December, that time they moved to the new clubs. And that time these jerseys were just out, and that were present at Sharjah Central Souq, so I was very excited to see that. I was also excited to see all the football gear and stuff. Yeah, I really enjoyed window watching in Sharjah Central Souq, and I hope you guys too enjoyed watching the video. And if you want to shop, make sure you visit Sharjah Central Souq, and you'll find lots of stuff there, to give your loved ones or anyone you want, anything unique you want, anything antique you want, you'll get it over there. And yeah, that was it for this video. And oh guys, wait, I think I filmed the outro to this video in Dubai, so let me take you back to Dubai. So yeah guys, this is how the Sharjah Central Souq looks from outside. There's something written in Arabic, you guys can read it. That's it for this video. I'm gonna upload more tours later, so subscribe right now, and see you guys in the next one. So make sure you subscribe right away. Make sure that you hit the notification icon so you don't miss out on that videos. Like the video if you have enjoyed, and until the next time, see ya.